just wanted to follow up with this Jing video to the one that Pat had submitted, and I had you watch the 2-minute one that sort of introduces you to the whole idea of WIDS. Our goal here is to find the course outcome summary. Some of what Pat was talking about you will not have access to simply because you're an adjunct. When you go to our faculty homepage, she showed you where you can see the WIDS tile there. You can click on that or just click on our login. When that happens, you just enter your username and password and log in, and you should, a page should come up with all the different courses that you teach. Now, it may or may not look like this because you're an adjunct. If not, you can always just go in here and search for a course that you're looking for. In this case, if you scroll down here, it said Introduction to Diversity and Ethnicity, Diversity and Change Management is the class that I'm looking for. So you can find the course that you're teaching in that way, right? Now, on the left-hand side here, you're not going to be able to do anything in here because you're not an administrator, you're not a full-time instructor, but you can use the things over here. Go to Quick Prints. That's where you can find your course outcome summary. I'm grabbing the one for diversity, the one that I'm going to throw in our learning plan so that you can have access to it there quicker. And here it is that you can print this off, but this is what you should be using to build your course. It has all the different competencies in the course, has the assessment strategies, the criteria, and the learning objectives. And the easiest way for you to work with these, because you can pull pieces out of here to put in your syllabus, for example, is to export it. And what I do is I export it to Word. When you export it to Word, then you actually have something you can work with. If it's in PDF or in these other forms, it's just not as easy to work with. So you can export it to Word, save it. Now you have a copy of your course outcome summary for your course in whichever folder, wherever you keep it in Word. Now once you do that, that's when you start building your course depending on what those course outcomes are. In my syllabus, for example, I include the core abilities, our program outcomes, and then of course all the different competencies. I don't include all of this. You can include that, but I prefer to do it with a separate document simply because it keeps your syllabus a little shorter. Mine is 10 pages long as it is, which I will share one of those with you as well. Now, some other things that you can do with WIDS is what Pat pointed out. Go to this repository and find classes that are similar to what you're teaching. Now, what's nice about that is you can get ideas, see what other people are doing for learning plans, different assessment activities, and things like that. So this is just another 3-minute little Jing here to sort of give you a little more background on how to grab those course outcome summaries, because that is the core piece that you should be using to build your class with.